the holy curiosity I had as a child, which diminished after me growing into my adulthood, came back again. फिर से वापस मैं इस्लाम को वही नज़रिए से देखना शुरू किया था जो मैं बचपन में देखा करता था. I could see that and perceive Islam in a different way. That is when I understood. I looked at every other Muslim around me, every other person of my age, above me, younger than me. I've seen people drift away from Islam as they grow up, and that has been a very common issue with a lot of Muslims. So when I started looking at Islam in a different perspective after the biggest test of my life that Allah had put me through, I understood one thing. One of the main reasons that we are actually getting drifted away from the religion is because as children we were very closely connected. Our connection to our duas, our connection to our namaz, that excitement towards the religion was there. But as we grew up into our adulthood, बड़े होने के बाद हमारा इंटरेस्ट, हमारा कनेक्शन विद इस्लाम reduce हो गया. Because why did it reduce is what my whole concern was, and that is what led to the to this program. So the thing that I realized was this: as children, when we prayed, when we asked Allah for what we wanted, when we offered those duas, we could see these duas get manifested into our lives. We saw how Allah granted us every bit of those duas. So we were closely connected in that way. But as we grew up into our adults, our duas, the power of our duas, the connection with namaz itself diminished, कम होना शुरू हो गया. तो ये सवाल मेरे दिमाग में कंटिन्यूसली आता रहा, क्यों कम हुआ? व्हाट वाज द रीजन दैट वी एज चिल्ड्रन वर कनेक्टेड? हम बचपन में इतना अच्छा, इतना खूबसूरत कनेक्शन था इस्लाम के साथ, अब क्यों नहीं है? तो आई ट्राई टू लुक एट इट इन अ साइकोलॉजिकल वे, in every different angle. I try to look at it. That is when I realized कि जब हम when we were kids, जब हम छोटे थे, वो टाइम पे we had minds which were not distractive in nature. We had minds which were fertile. हमारा दिमाग इतना साफ था, नीयत इतनी साफ थी, सब कुछ. We were pure as a human being. That is why automatically, without any effort, we were able to be deeply connected with Allah. We were deeply connected with every namaz. In fact, every dua we used to offer used to manifest into a reality. So when we grew up, I realized, because we all have responsibilities as adults. Everybody has some stress, some distraction. Our minds have become way too foggy, way too crowded with too many thoughts, which as children हमारा दिमाग ऐसा नहीं था. हमारा दिमाग बहुत साफ था, very pure. तो when with all these worldly duties, worldly experiences, our life experiences that molded us into a being that we are today, where we cannot have that deep connection with Allah, if that has to change, we have to change our perception towards Islam. So that is why the whole project came into existence. We are going to learn what is the importance of conscious namaz, and if we learn the importance of conscious namaz and the ways we are supposed to offer namaz, being fully present and fully focused, if you understand that, I can guarantee each one of you that you will connect back to Islam. You will connect back to Allah again, exactly the same way you did as a child. बचपन में कैसा आप खरीद थे अल्लाह से, कैसा आपकी हर एक दुआ कबूल होती थी, कैसा आपको है ना रिलीजन, नमाज, सब कुछ पता, वापस आप ये सब कुछ बिल्ड कर सकते. इफ यू ऑफर conscious namaz and if you heal your mind using conscious namaz itself,